morning, Saugus. I'm Taylor Dyrstad, and today is Thursday, March 5th.
And I'm Laura Record. This is SNN, live from D5.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Slam the Scam Day.
National Slam the Scam Day is a day focused on raising awareness about fraud and teaching people how to recognize and avoid scams. It encourages everyone to pause before responding to suspicious phone calls, emails, texts, or online messages. The goal is simple: educate people so they can protect their money, identity, and personal information.
The day was created by Social Security Administration in 2020. It was launched to combat the growing number of Social Security-related phone scams where criminals pretend to government officials to trick people into giving away sensitive information. Over time, the message expanded to cover many types of scams, not just those involving Social Security.
A fun fact about Slam the Scam Day, one of the biggest red flags about a scam is urgency. Scammers often pressure people to act immediately by threatening arrest, fines, or account suspension to create panic. Real government agencies typically communicate through official letters and do not demand payment through gift cards or cryptocurrency, knowing that one simple fact can already put you a step ahead. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
On March 12th, there will be an all-schools dance at Six Flags Magic Mountain, hosted by the Santa Clarita Valley Sheriff's Station. Prices are $20 cash at the door, school ID required. The park is closed to students only to come from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Enjoy all the rides and the DC area and many more.
The Jacob Zamora Foundation has a scholarship for high school seniors with a GPA between 2.5 and 3.4. For those interested, applications can be picked up in the counseling office. The applications are due through mail to the Jacob Foundation by Monday, March 9th.
Valley Trail Summer Camp is now hiring for 2026. They're looking for student leaders, positive role models, and those ready to make a difference. Working at Valley Trails offers hands-on experience building communication, leadership, and problem-solving skills, all while having a fun and exciting summer. Interested students can learn more and apply at the link listed below.
All eligible high school seniors whose parent or guardian is classified as an employee of the Hart District and a member of the CSEA and plans to attend a vocational school, a 2-year or 4-year college, or a university may apply for the CSEA scholarship. Pick up and return a completed application along with an essay to the counseling office by March 30th.
Now, let's go to Coach Russell and Mr. Gutierrez with this week's AD Minute.
All right, so it's usually Mr. Lapata saying, hey, how am I doing? But today I get to say, hey, Mr. Gutierrez, how you doing today?
I'm fantastic, Mr. Russell.
Outstanding. You know, we got a lot to cover today, and spring sports is in full swing. But Mr. Gutierrez, what do we got going on tonight?
We got a huge game tonight. The ladies are playing Morse of San Diego. Come out and rep our girls basketball team. Second round of the state regionals. Love watching the girls play. They look fantastic.
Outstanding. 6 p.m. tonight in the Shield House. All right, the first Jersey Mike's athlete of the week is varsity volleyball player Josh Lane. Josh led our team in almost every category on Thursday versus Eastside. He had 20 kills with only 2 errors in 3 games, posting a 667 hitting percentage, had 2 blocks and 3 aces. He continued this into Saturday during our tournament at Portola. where he had one of two players who saw the court for all 10 sets and proved to be a constant threat in the front and back row, leading us to win our division.
That's awesome. That's awesome. The
Outstanding.
next Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is Karina Page. Karina ran the 4th fastest 100 and 200 all-time at Saugus High School on Thursday. She's poised to break the both school records by season's end.
And the next Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is varsity cheerleader Emily Phillips. Emily is a 4-year varsity comp team athlete and current comp team captain. Some of her amazing accomplishments are 3 CIF Southern Section titles, 3 USA national titles. This year, she helped lead her team to become 2026 world champions and NHSCC silver medalists, making history for our program and school.
Mr. Russell, you sound like a sportscaster.
I'm telling
all
you.
All in one breath.
I'm
all in
telling
one breath.
you.
And the final Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is an additional cheerleader, Yazzie Manzano. Yazzie's a varsity comp tier captain, and some of her incredible accomplishments are winning a CIF title, 3 USA national titles, and a UCA national championship title. This year, she helped lead her team to become 2026 world champions and NHSCC silver medalist, making history for our program and school. Yazzie is also committed to Hope International University, where she will continue her competitive cheerleading career.
Okay, so I'll tell you what. At this point, Mr. Lapata says like a little joke.
Yeah.
But I'm going to come up with, just off the top of my head here,
Here
what's
it is.
better than a joke from Mr. Lapata?
I have no idea.
Nothing. There's nothing better. That's right. That's all for us. Now let's go to Jeremy Carr with today's sports report.
Thanks, Coach Russell and Mr. Gutierrez. Good morning. I'm Jeremy Carr with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, track and field will compete against both West Ranch and Hart at West Ranch at 3. Also today, boys volleyball will compete against Golden Valley at 5:30. Boys tennis will also play against West Ranch today at 3. Girls basketball will go against Morris High School at 7. That's all for me. Now, let's go to another edition of Cooking with Love.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Jordan France.
And I'm Addison Scott, and this is Cooking with Love.
For your ingredients, you will need 1 jar of pasta sauce, 1 container of store-bought meatballs, 1 box of spaghetti noodles, cheese, chili flakes, garlic, and salt. Don't forget to wash your hands. Next, fill up a pot of water and place it on a stove to bring to a boil. Add some salt to speed up the process. You will need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. This will be for your meatballs. Next, place the prepackaged meatballs onto a baking sheet. Once your water comes to a boil, add your spaghetti noodles. Once your oven is ready, put in your meatballs. You'll need to cook these for 30 minutes, 15 on each side. Next, you need to crush your garlic and then mince it. Add your minced garlic into a pan with oil. Next, add your pasta sauce. Make sure the sauce is mixed in well with the garlic. Then add your chili flakes. Let that rest. After 30 minutes, take out your meatballs. Finally, mix together your spaghetti noodles, pasta sauce, and meatballs. This recipe was quick and delicious.
This has been Addison Scott.
And Jordan Franz reporting for SMN.
Whoa, it looks like you had Remy make that spaghetti.
Who's Remy? Project Linus is hosting a nonprofit Make a Blanket Day where students can receive service hours for making blankets to donate to those in need. The day will be March 28th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the COC East Gym.
The Hagen Scholarship is for motivated high school seniors who need financial help and do well in school. To apply, parents' total income in 2024 must be $125,000 or less. You must be planning to attend a four-year college in the fall and need to work 240 hours at a job between January 1st and September 1st this year. To apply, visit the link listed below or visit the counseling office. The application is due March 15th. That's all for today. I'm Taylor Dyrstad. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Laura Reckett. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.